Amazon is nothing out of the ordinary now, and there is nothing new to talk about it, right? Wrong answer, because today I'm going to show you 5 amazing gadgets you have missed so far. Once I'm done, you'll jump right in to buy at least one of them. They are that much fun and useful. You can thank me later. Nerf Gatling Gun. Here's a new way to have a fun time with your boys, a fully functional toy machine gun. Now, this custom-made Nerf Gatling gun is a bit expensive, around $800, but it's worth every dollar of it. The gun can shoot its projectiles up to a range of over 60 feet at a speed of 3 shots per second, and it has a 25-round ammo belt. When you walk around with this in your hands, it will definitely feel like you are inside a video game. Fly Nova drones. If you love playing frisbee, this gadget is going to be your new favorite. The Fly Nova hand-operated drones. Designed to play both indoors and outdoors, these hand-launched mini drones will take your frisbee experience to a whole new level. And guess what? Their amazing lighting system will keep you mesmerized at night too. It can go for about 10 minutes on one charge, and then you'll only need a 15-minute break to recharge it. The best part about these flying frisbees is that it only costs $25 a piece, but the experience it gives you is far better than that, and I can guarantee it. Fun Shell. Prepare to see the most unusual backpack you have ever seen, the Fun Shell. This backpack comes with a built-in UV umbrella you can just pop out anytime you want. It's both UV resistant and waterproof, so it will come in handy under any condition. And that's not all. There's a built-in fan to keep you cool and some Bluetooth speakers to make sure you enjoy your favorite music while you are on the hike. And all of this will only cost you about $120. DCS Underwater Scooter. If you love swimming and diving, I've got the perfect new product for you, the DCS Underwater Scooter. Unlike other devices where you need to use both hands to control them, this gadget allows you to free both of your hands and gives you the freedom to do a myriad of activities underwater. The maximum depth for this device is 66 feet, and it can function for up to 50 minutes on one charge. Each scooter weighs only about 3 pounds, and guess what? You can control this through gestures. Just squeeze or unclench, and you are all good to go. This one is priced at around $575, so don't forget to check it out. ASUS Stellina Telescope. Here is a gadget that will open up an entire universe for you and your kids. A ASUS Stellina telescope. Owning this will be like owning your very own little space station, because this mini telescope allows you to observe and learn about the universe and many celestial objects in real time. This smart telescope is controlled by a smart app, and it comes with an entire encyclopedia about the universe, allowing you to learn and explore it like never before. And here's the best part. You can focus anywhere in the night sky and display the live broadcast on your smartphone and take a look at the true beauty of our universe. However, this one is going to cost you a whopping $4,000, but the space experience you get will be totally worth it. Laser Battle Hunters. Here's a great gadget to have an awesome time with your kids, the Laser Battle Hunters. The game is simple. You have many players with remote-controlled cars, and whoever smashes and destroys the most enemy cars with their lasers wins. And don't worry, these little beasts can stand any impact, and they are not real lasers. These little beasts can ride as fast as 3 miles per hour and come with astonishing lighting and sound effects, making the entire game more entertaining. And it will cost you only about $40. Vero Ridges Vega. Electric scooters are nothing new, but this one is definitely going to bring you much fun and great family time. So, what's so special about it? This scooter comes with 2 options. You can either ride it as a classic scooter, or you can turn it into a mini bike in a few seconds to double the fun. Sounds cool, doesn't it? It has an incredible speed of up to 10 miles per hour, and with just one charge, you and the kids can ride it for almost 6 miles. And since it weighs only 120 pounds, you can easily pack it up and take it anywhere you want. Now tell me, which one are you going to order right now? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to check out other videos on the coolest and the smartest gadgets you can find online. And hit that subscribe button so I can keep you updated. Until next time.